What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Give you guys a little update since I haven't posted in a while. Truck's been dropped, front end's been rebuilt. It's on a rear DJM kit, and today we're gonna do a front end swap. So let's get it. I've also went and bought this truck too. Well, now that we got this little bitch in here, let's go ahead and fucking swap the front end. Headlight brackets, fenders, hood hinges, all hooked up. Time for the hood. line it all and everything else. Hood and fenders are all lined up, bolted up. Time to put the grill, headlights, fuse box back up. Let's get it. Looking good so far. Do the body work this winter. Oh, there she is. Front end's all done. Gotta fuck around with the lights a little bit more. But other than that, front end's on. Gotta finish making a custom bash bumper and put it on the front. A lot more. Stay tuned. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.